This is our Esther story bag. Esther was a pretty Jewish girl who'd been brought up by her uncle Mordecai. The king chose her to be his queen and he loved her very much, but he didn't know she was a Jew. Haman was the king's right-hand man, but he wasn't very nice. He was really nasty and wanted everyone to bow down to him. But Mordecai refused and said he would only bow down to the one true God. Haman was furious. He told the king that the Jews were causing problems and got the king to agree to kill them all. He didn't know that his wife Esther was also a Jew. Mordecai told Queen Esther that she must go to the king, even though it could get her killed. She was very brave and did. And the king agreed to have a party and Haman was invited. But Queen Esther told the king that Haman wanted to kill her and all her people. The king was furious and ordered that Haman was killed on his own gallows that he had made and built and set up to kill Mordecai. Esther and Mordecai and all of God's people lived on. God had used Esther to save her people. What a star!